Managing an HDFC Bank senior citizen account requires some knowledge of the bank's policies and procedures. To start, senior citizens can open a special account with HDFC Bank that offers various benefits such as higher interest rates, free debit cards, and exemption from maintenance charges. First, eligible senior citizens need to visit the nearest HDFC Bank branch with the required documents, including proof of age, identity, and address. The bank will guide them through the account opening process and provide the necessary forms to fill out. Once the account is opened, senior citizens can manage their account through various channels, including internet banking, mobile banking, and phone banking. To register for internet banking, they need to visit the HDFC Bank website, click on the Internet Banking tab, and follow the instructions to create a user ID and password. To transfer funds, pay bills, or check account balances, senior citizens can use the HDFC Bank mobile app, which can be downloaded from the App Store. They can also use the phone banking service by calling the HDFC Bank customer care number and following the automated instructions. In addition to these services, HDFC Bank also offers a range of benefits for senior citizens, including free ATM transactions, free demand drafts, and preferential rates on loans and credit cards. Senior citizens can also avail of the bank's reverse mortgage scheme, which allows them to mortgage their property and receive a regular income. To keep their account secure, senior citizens should always keep their account details and passwords confidential and be cautious of phishing scams. They should also regularly check their account statements and report any suspicious transactions to the bank immediately. Overall, managing an HDFC Bank senior citizen account is straightforward and convenient, with a range of services and benefits available to make banking easier and more rewarding for senior citizens. By following these steps and taking advantage of the bank's services, senior citizens can enjoy a hassle-free banking experience and make the most of their golden years.